Hi, this video is going to show you how you can take a walkthrough Google form and use the Google extension or add-on Doc Appender so that it will give your teachers a copy of your observations automatically to save your time and increase efficiency. So first of all, let me show you how it works. Here's my sample one. I would just go through and choose my teachers. So if I was doing a first grade teacher B, I go ahead and choose the date that I'm doing the observation. Go ahead and type in the time. Maybe it was a 10 a.m. observation. And it was during ELD. I could put whatever data collected, 100% engagement. Any next steps I have for them. I could add pictures if I have them, and then I click submit. As I could keep on my cell phone or on my laptop walk through as I'm going through and doing them. What's great is as soon as you as the admin submit it, the teacher will have a document shared with them, and automatically on their document you will see the date of that observation, the content area, the data that I collected, on my next steps, and there would be a link to any pictures or artifacts I have. So the teacher automatically has a record as soon as I have submitted that form.